guys, Remix is here, and today we are playing more Last Day on Earth! Now guys, last time, if you guys remember, we were exploring Bunker Alpha. I still need to find out the password to the second floor, and then we will explore some more. But I did some more playing offline, and yeah, you guys don't get mad at me, but I did find another bunker card that I can't find that bunker for some reason, but I'm so close to getting level 9. If we get to level 9, I can build a furnace, and then we can build a chopper. So, yeah, I'm just gonna speed up right now, and let's enter in here. I did some events, but it was just like lots of looting events, and I just got lots of stuff to build choppers and stuff. So yeah, let's get in here. Let's what's this? A roaming zombie? Oh, and we leveled up. Good. I didn't even really need to do that much. Damn. Yeah, these are lots of zombies. Work, darn nabbit. Rope. Cloth. I don't really need that crap. Oh, crap. The roaming zombie caught me. Okay, let's do this. Oh no, I only have boots now. Come on, that's not cool. Let's eat some food. Drink some water. Delete. Let me switch to my gun. Yeah, suckers. Let me turn down the volume. Oh. You guys probably couldn't have heard me the whole time. Some loot. Hopefully there's some clothes in here that I can wear, because I'm only wearing boots. Well, water and beans. That's good enough. You know, the good thing is I have weapons. Okay. Let's grab some of these berries. Berries. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, yeah, it took us all the way up to 100. I'm gonna grab some more of this stuff, because it's sparse where I am. To be honest, I don't even really have anything at my base anymore. It's just really, I have to go out and grab stuff from places. So that's how it's going now. Did not want to grab that limestone, but okay. So now we can build a furnace. Learn. Okay. Doke. See if we can find some. What's that? A wolf? Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. That's some luggage. We have a roaming zombie. We should just kill this guy before he decides to fight us. So we just have some luggage here. Hopefully there's some clothes in it. Water and bolts. Wow, dude. It's another roaming zombie. Please not be a floater boater. I hate those guys so much. They have like 500 health and they don't go down that easily. Okay, so we reached level 9. We're about to get to the level 10, hopefully. Let's just we know how to build that now. So let's see. We have some seeds to plant some stuff. So, that's good. Now we're naked again. Yay. That's why I wanted to find Bunker Romeo. Oh crap, cancel. Bunker Romeo, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? If you guys could comment down below what the password is to Bunker Alpha, we will do some more. That's Bunker Charlie, I know that. Oh my gosh. Well, that ain't too good. So now we are walking most of the video now. How long have we been recording? It does not show. Hey guys, I'm back. We're still trying to build a chopper. I died, all my stuff broke because freaking zombies came and tried to destroy my house. So yeah, we're still trying to build a chopper, and I'm only one rock away from building a furnace so I can build a chopper. I'm gonna grab some of these berries over here. Yep. I'm gonna grab some of these. Yep. Oh look, there's a bunch of zombies waiting for us. Come at me! Yeah. Let's see if we can loot anything. Maybe we can be able to, maybe we might be able to, if we can loot stuff, then maybe we might be able to get some clothes. And I just leveled up to level 10, so I might be able to,
some tea. Perfect.
Let me just grab this meat. Yum, meat. Let's loot this thing. And hopefully there's some stuff that we can get. Maybe clothes, water, because I accidentally deleted my water when I meant to delete the other thing. Wow, I'm only getting freaking... Adam, shush. Please, dude. Adam, if I was recording, would you like to yell? If you were recording, Adam. What?
Oh my god, I was at 1%.
Adam, if you were recording, would you like me to start yelling out of nowhere in your mic?
Oh, sorry, Zach.
It's okay, man. Just like, Adam, you need to be more open to what other people are doing. Dang it! Is this guy sitting? This guy's sitting. But he's a zombie and I killed him. How is he sitting? Can I craft a shirt or something? Oh, I need some cloth. Wait. See if there's a zombie that I can loot. Zombie. Any zombie that would like to get looted? Oh yes, you're a zombie that would like to get... No! Freaking cloth on you. Do you have cloth, mister? Thank you, sir. Let me just build a hat right now. Yes. Boom. Daddy's got himself a hat. Woo. See, is there anything that you got? You only got rope. Sucks, zombie. Okay. Deer. Well, I can't really catch it. Oh, it's a fast spider. Yo, dude, why are you attacking me? I have a player and a zombie after me right now. Yo, that's not cool, man. That's not cool.
Who are you talking to?
I'm recording a video, Tata.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. It's what parents have to do. Okay. So I'll see you guys after 12 minutes are done. Wait, no, first. Okay, so now I know. So now we can build a furnace. So I'll see you guys when 12 minutes are up. Okay,
Now that
guys.
I hear you cough, David, you don't have any asthma problems, do you?
No.
Okay, guys, I am back. So we can build a furnace now, and then if we can build a furnace, we can put the iron in. Put the iron in, then we can build a chopper. Really, it's just a motorcycle, but I wish it was a real chopper.
Do you want ham on your cheese? Put that way. Yeah?
Oh, let's build the furnace. Okay, now if we
You're
go
not gonna eat dinner here tonight, right? Because there won't be any dinner. It's just the leftovers.
build,
Yeah,
check,
I'll have a big lunch.
close, put that in there. Oh no, we need fuel! Oh yeah, I think I have fuel, so let's put that in there. And then we can just use wood. Wait, that's gasoline. So we can take
This is the best one we made.
wood. Will wood work? Yes, wood works. Well guys, we are about to make 4 pieces of iron, which I think
Zach, you want ham in your...
you need 5. Yes,
ham
please.
sandwich?
Yes, please. And I also have some more iron. So let's just put this iron in there. Tata, you do know that I'm recording right now, right? It's okay.
I had to ask a question.
It's okay. Tata, take a bow for the people. Yeah. So let's see what else we need for the motorcycle. So we need wood. We need that kind of wood, which I think we have. Hold on, wrong chest. Wrong chest again. Yeah, we have 17 pieces. That's good. That's good. That's good. Good. Okay, and then what else do we need? We need nuts and bolts, which I have 20. So split that. And let's put that in there. Let's put the 10 back. Split again, because I think we only need 5. And let me see. Yep, we have everything that we need. So after this, I want to build a radio, because I found out that you need a radio to make a password. We make a password, then we can get in to Bunker Alpha 2nd floor. Or we can make a rain catcher, and we can fill precious moisture, and we can refill water bottles. So really guys, it's up to you, because really I don't give a crap which one you guys want. Oh, we need 2 chopper wheels. Dang it! No. Oh, and let me go plant these seeds back in. We have some more seeds. So, that's good. And then I think we can make some more clothes. Yep, we can. So, let's grab, where is it? Yes, we need cloth, so we can make some more clothes. Okay. So, craft. Okay, we don't know how to make pants yet, and we don't know how to make that yet. So let's go into here, and let's equip that. So now we're not completely naked anymore. So that's good. Let me just put that in there as well. So we need a second wheel, which kind of ticked off now that we have to have a second wheel. But it's all part of the game, guys. All part of the game. Limestone in there. Wood in there. Let's see. Oh, I can't stack any more on there. No, why? Well, actually, we could take the chopper wheel out because we have to put the chopper
Whose
wheel.
spinner is this?
It's Poppy's.
Did you give it to him?
No, Poppy's has a spinner. So we need 2 wheels to make that. Let's see how high our food is. Not very high.